Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to add friends on Destiny 2. To add friends in Destiny 2, first of all open up the Destiny 2 application on your mobile device and then tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Now once you get to this profile page, click on the Friends button at the top of the screen. Click on Add Friends at the top right and then search for your friends with the help of the search box at the top. You will then be able to see list of search results appearing on the display, and from the search results, go ahead and select your friend you want to add and then click on Send Bungie Friend Request. You can simply tap on the Add Friend button in order to send friend request to the person, and once they accept your request, you will then be able to add yourselves as friends. The player will receive your request and can accept it to add you as their friend as well. That is how you can add friends on Destiny 2. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.